How to change the auger belt on a HS828 Honda Snowblower. The auger belt on a Honda HS828 Snowblower is the belt that makes the auger spin. Frail, brittle, or stretched out auger belts should be replaced because they can negatively impact the performance of your snowblower. If the belt completely breaks, the auger will not spin at all. It will take you about an hour to replace the auger belt. Things you'll need: socket set, replacement auger belt. Remove the spark plug wire on your Honda Snowblower with a pair of pliers. Lean the snowblower forward onto the auger shroud, or cover. Use your socket set to remove the bolts holding the auger base plate in place. Remove this cover to access the belt cover. Remove the belt cover bolts with the socket set to expose the auger belt. Pull in the blower's clutch lever to remove tension from the drive belt and auger belt. Remove the drive belt from the drive pulley to access the auger belt, and then remove the auger belt by hand. Once you have removed that end of the auger belt, pull it free from the auger pulley. Place the new auger belt around the pulleys and then place the drive belt back into position by hand. Set the belt cover back in place and replace its retaining bolts with the socket set. Also replace the auger base plate with your socket set. Set the blower back into normal position and replace the spark plug wire.